Let's be real, not everyone wants to work 12 hours a day just to get by. And if you're one of them, you're not lazy, you're just strategic. Because some of the lazy ways to make money online right now are also some of the smartest. And we're not talking about get rich quick nonsense or scammy loopholes. This is about simple, low effort ways real people are making money online starting from scratch. I'll walk you through the income streams, the tools they're using, and how you can get started even if you've never made a dollar online before. Let's dive in. Number 1. AI generated art and stock content. This one is as low effort as it gets, and honestly, it's kind of fun. With tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, you can create stunning visuals in minutes. You don't need to know how to draw, paint, or even design. You just give the AI a few words like vintage botanical journal page or futuristic city at sunset, and boom, it gives you art you can actually sell. People are uploading these images to platforms like Verstock, Shutterstock, and Creative Fabrica, where they earn small commissions every time someone downloads them. The best part is you only need to create the images once. You can sell over and over again and basically forever. And that's where the magic is really. Like, it's one-time effort with infinite potential. Some creators are pulling in daily payouts from images they have probably uploaded like weeks or months ago. This is not like life-changing money, but as uploads stack up, so does the passive income. And if you've got an eye for aesthetics or you just like playing with AI, then this one is a no-brainer. Number 2. Faceless YouTube with InVideo or Pictory. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money online right now. And if I have to mention tools, I have used InVideo AI, and I would say that it's one of the fastest ways to create a video. You basically plug in a simple idea and the AI can turn it into a quick script, and InVideo basically builds out the full video with stock footage, voiceover, and captions, and it does it all just under 10 minutes. Pictory is a cheaper alternative, but it usually takes more time and requires a little bit of tweaking, so it really depends on what suits your workflow and budget better. And no, you don't need to be on camera or learn how to edit. Take AI Guy for example. It's a US-based YouTuber who built an entire channel around AI tools without ever showing their face. Even simpler stock footage channels like Charisma on Command do incredibly well. So it's all about consistency and smart content and not so much about fancy production. These niches like AI, tech, business, finance, they often earn higher RPMs. If you're wondering what RPM is, it's basically how much you make per 1,000 views. So it's basically low effort and high potential with no face required. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Anika. I'm a creative entrepreneur. On this channel, I talk about making money online so you can have your piece of the pie in the digital economy and achieve financial freedom for yourself. I share both practical strategies and money mindset through a psychological, philosophical, and spiritual lens, especially for the folks in the US, Canada, and Australia. So if this resonates with you, please take your shoes off and come on in by hitting that subscribe button. And if you're finding this helpful so far, a like really helps to push this video to more people who need to watch this. Back to the video. This is one of the smartest ways to make money online because you build it once and it makes you money forever. Using tools like Canva and ChatGPT, you can whip up ebooks, Notion templates, checklists, or planners in a weekend, even if you're not a designer. And the best part is you don't need to go big. Some simple template shops are actually pulling in $3,000 to $10,000 per month with fewer than 10 products listed. I mean, seriously. This one works best if your product solves like a niche problem. It could be like a budget planner for freelancers or a Notion dashboard for ADHD entrepreneurs. Once it's up, it becomes passive. People can buy while you sleep. So if you enjoy creating and you want something that's going to make you money in the background, then this one is for you. Number 4. AI-powered copywriting for businesses. Businesses always need words that sell for their website, ads, email, and more. Now, with tools like ChatGPT and Cohesive, you don't even need to be a pro copywriter to offer that service. The AI can handle 80% of the heavy lifting. You just tweak and tailor the final 20% to match the client's tone or offer. And yes, clients do pay for this because they care about the results. They don't want the hassle of learning or using AI themselves. You can list your services on Fiverr or Upwork or do simple cold outreach to small businesses that clearly need better copy. Many freelancers are delivering $300 plus projects in under an hour using AI tools, writing website pages, email sequences, and sales copy. If you've got a good eye for language and you like cleaning things up, then this one is for you. If you focus on high-ticket offers, then affiliate marketing becomes one of the lowest effort ways to earn money online. Affiliate marketing is basically you promoting other people's products. It can be tools, softwares, online courses, or physical products even. If someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. With platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, or PartnerStack, it's easy to find programs that pay $100, $200, or even $500 plus per sale. And the best part is you don't need to be an influencer or something. You can tie your affiliate links into Pinterest pins, TikTok videos, faceless YouTube channels, or even a simple blog. One faceless creator earned over $500 from a single sale just by posting a review video with their link in the description. If you're good at connecting people with tools that can actually help them, then this one can quietly add up in the background without you ever needing to build your own product. Number 6. Niche theme pages, Instagram or TikTok. Running a theme page is one of the coolest ways to grow an audience without showing your face or creating original content. You simply curate and repost content in popular niches like pets, quotes, luxury, mindset, or even memes. Use free content with credit, of course, or repost from viral creators with permission. And schedule everything with tools like Metricool or Ledger. Once the page grows, you can monetize with affiliate links, shoutouts, or digital products in your bio. There are pages with as little as 10k to 30k followers, bringing in a steady side income, sometimes just from one affiliate link or paid promo per week. It's all about consistency. You probably need to spend like an hour a day to build the brand and grow it, and eventually it will be money on autopilot. So there you have it, 6 of the laziest yet smartest ways to make money online right now. Drop a comment below to let me know which one you want to try, or if you want me to dive deeper, I'll be more than happy to make an entire video in that specific topic. And if you want to go deeper and learn more about the digital economy and how everything is shifting in terms of the way we work, then check out this video. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now. I'll see you in the next one.